Oh, well. Morning, everybody. Ready, set, go. Finally getting the time to look at the markets. Um, so you can see the market was down only barely 0.03%. But for big picture, you can see we're still here at this zone. We are kind of above this area here, but about the same as a month ago, 3 weeks ago. So let's follow our plan. As we go to the brokerage, obviously it doesn't show, but FMC sold. And we got out at 37.02. So it looks like probably just a normal fill. Nothing crazy. Yeah, 36 biggins, baby. Takes us up to 11.04 for the month. Remember, $16 is our goal. We're halfway through the month, so what did I say? 04. Whoops. Yep. So we're way ahead of being on track here. And you see we have a lot of positions. So as we come over here, we have $227. We have a bunch of stocks we need to put sellers in for. You can see them if some of these are in profits that we likely would have sold, but I had to work. So there's that. All right. Next step of the trading plan. What is it? Screen it right. I'll pull up the screener here. And we're looking for stocks in our universe that we already own, and that we're going to go from smallest to largest. Sorry, I'm trying to keep it together here. We got PK and American Eagle. We'll just go down the list. Oh, really? No hate there. PK is not on here. AEO not on here. You can see there aren't many on the screener, which would make sense because the market is close to all-time highs. Gentech and Reynolds. There's Gentech. So we're just checking to make sure it still fits all the system. Everything's cool. Looks like the PEs are good. Dividends and no debt. So 24.48 for Gentech. And as you can see, it's above the price we bought it last time. Doesn't matter. Just following the system. Try to keep position size to 1% of the account. That would be $16, but what date do we even put in here? 18? I think the market's closed on Monday for President's Day. We do have 3-day trades. Yeah. So we will use those. So we're going to do a round trip order. First triggers the second. I'm going to buy one at 24.48. It's closing print. It's the same price for me as it is for you. It'll be the same price all weekend. Limit order good till cancel with extended hours always. Now we need to figure out our sell price. So if you add these up, divide by 2, since we have 2 shares, that'll get you your average. And I take that number times 1.01. So pause the video, do that math for yourself. And that's that. Oh, shoot. Have to change this. Try to sell 2. All right. Now we have Reynolds. And it may not be exactly in order, but it's close enough. You guys get the idea. So they took an E. PEs are good. Dividends solid. Debt is reasonable. So $23.94 for Reynolds. Again, just one share here. Some of these would have went, but you know, that's the price we pay for doing other stuff. First trigger's the second. This will be day trade number 2. Trying to buy one and sell 2 of them. $23.94. Limit order good till cancel with extended hours always. Now we need a sell price, right? So we're going to add these up, divide by 2 to get an average. Take that number times 1.01. And that's the sell I like. So pause the video, do that math for yourself. And I'm just going to keep ripping. $179 left. Okay. BWA and HII. Just look and see if they're on the screen here. BWA, no. HII is on here. Huntington is aerospace instead of the bank. Dividends, PEs, debt. Looks good to me. 161.27. Well, that's a big one. It takes almost all of our money. So this will likely be it. But 3-day trades is what we got. It's like the Sublime song. It's what I got. Remember that. Yeah, a little loving for Valentine's Day. Hope y'all had a good Valentine's Day. I was at work, so all right. We don't have any sell order in there to cancel. That's what I was checking for. And, we're gonna rip this day trade here. So first trigger's the second. I'm trying to buy one and sell 2 of these. 161.27 closing print. Same for me as it is for you. Limit order always good till cancel with the extended hours. And we need a sell price. If you add these up, divide by 2. Take that number times 1.01. That's the sell target I like. Oh, you don't get an even number like that very often. 164 is what I got. All right, so we have $17 left. So let's go back to the screener, see if there's anything under 17 bucks that we can get a hold of. I'm still not calling off the dogs here, so price is over here. And it looks like there's only one, right? It's this guy right here for 9 bucks. Everything else is above 17. AES is one that we had traded before. So the debt is just too high on this one. So that concludes our purchases. However, our work is not done, and we need to make sure that all of our positions have sell orders. So we'll start here with PK. You can see we have 1271 as the end price. So we'll add 1%. Limit order, good till cancel with extended hours. Okay. BWA. Just doing the same thing here. 2889 times 1.01. And that's what we're going to go with. Wow. And this one is well in profits, but we're still going to go ahead and put it there as a limit order, good till cancel with extended hours. And likely get fill higher. And if we don't, I don't feel like I cheated myself or nothing like that. It's kind of like when you're done fishing, you just put the rest of the worms you got into the lake. That's the way I think about it. 1420. We'll just add 1%. Limit order, good till cancel with extended hours. So we do have orders in for all of our stuff. We've got our 3-day trades in. Got the full account in. We're working our way towards a new goal of $1,700. If you look over here, we're getting pretty close here to putting some more money in. We need another 13 and change. And for big picture, it's still a sideways move. Okay. So that's what we have. So all the alpha and all the trades and all the sells we get, it's just pure alpha. And that's what we have. So if you're still here, make sure you leave me a like on your way out. Make sure you're subscribed and share this with your friends. Awareness is the key. Also, understand I'm not a licensed financial anybody, and it's just me going to work, coming home, pulling money out of the stock market. That's it. So make your own decisions. This is not financial advice, but this is kind of what I'm doing. And hopefully it can help you formulate your own trading plan. So thanks again for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.